Hey friends, if you wish to fix a cursor when it moves on its own on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now, here's what we want you to do. For search for mouse in the Windows search bar, go to mouse. Decrease this a little because if the mouse pointer speed is too high, then your mouse may be very sensitive. And then scroll down and click on additional point settings, go to pointers and then click on use default, click on OK. Once these two parts are settled, the next one is to search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Expand the list for mice and other pointing devices, right click and update each and every driver. Now, once this is sorted out, it does not mean that the problem will be fixed, because in 80% of the cases, the issue is not with the software part, it's with the hardware part. Try changing the battery of your mouse, use a smoother surface, or use a mouse pad instead of that. Or you can also check for dust on the mouse's optical pointer, and if that doesn't help, then try changing the mouse. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.